Right. And let's see the action.
Hey. Hey. Big Wale.
That big.
It's it.
Big Wale. I want to Corona party. We do that. Where are you going? Yeah. Fry your face. Oh boy, you want to do like you want to fight your father. You don't remember the sometimes you see Asaase radio, they stay like nobody beach. You know they still you look well. He will leave you. After the clash. Most of you will be at this state listing. You tell me, I'll be dead man. Affect you. I don't go do that. Asaase, people don't tell me this, I don't go do this. You agree already. You lie, you agree already. You know, we see this clash here. You sure I like that name, invited to. That be how I will come to you, Kakai. Tell you already. Make people not talk plenty, I don't want to talk. But you see your fans, tell themselves after this clash, I will do something for them. And that's it, they don't go like back, I will do for them. You know what I will do for them. They will bring them our votes to me and I will decide.
Of Asaase Broadcasting Company is here with us tonight. Mr. Gabby Usher is here with us tonight. Please, a round of applause for him. Yeah. And the Minister of Health, Dr. Stonebwoy, is also here with us. Please, a round of applause. It does really feel good to have you grace the occasion.
Music industry, I'm sure we all know what's happening right now. And in-house, we are totally torn because my GM, for example, is leaving the music industry. I'm sure we all know what's happening right now. And in-house, we are totally torn because my GM, for example, is leaving the music industry. I'm sure we all know what's happening right now. And in-house, we are totally... This program is being streamed live on all of Asaase Radio's social media platforms. On YouTube, on Facebook. We are also giving live updates on Instagram. So we urge everybody to log on and follow us, not only from today, from the next couple of weeks to come until we finally bring you the big event.
On a tour of the Caribbean to try and bring our chief and king back home. And so in Trenchtown, here I was standing in the governor's yard, and I heard the music in the background, and it was a song by Stonebwoy. So I asked, I wasn't too sure. I said, whose song is this? And they said, oh, it's from Ghana, Stonebwoy. So you guys, unintended consequences of the thing that you do is to put Ghana on the map. And we also know what Shatta has done with Beyonce. So let's give it up to them. Music tourism is something that is going to play big. People go to Salzburg to see the hometown of Mozart. People go to Jamaica to see the hometown of Bob Marley.
Stonebwoy, is this happening or not?
Good evening, Ghana. This one is a long time coming, you know. It's a thing that I think the world would never have imagined to happen. But we have a purpose now, and the purpose is COVID. The whole world has been hit by the COVID pandemic, and you know, it's hit us so hard that many things have gone bad, many things have gone wrong. May their soul rest in peace, those who have lost their lives from it, those who are sick from it. You know, UGMC is having people across Ghana and all the isolation centers and the works they're doing.
The class. Hold on, let me play this one. Aha. Wow.
Don't worry, sometimes microphone is so low.
Wow.
So, I tell you what, it's a yes from me. Capital Y-E-S. Capital Y-E-S. I'm willing and ever ready, has been ready, shall forever be ready, whether alive or dead, to clash for a good cause. If this was not for a better cause, trust I'll be sleeping at home and I won't do this. Yes, I'm ready to clash. And clash so hard, so much so that Corona can fly away after that clash. So you don't know, big ups to all the stakeholders involved. I must commend and thank ASSASE Radio, ASSASE Broadcasting, you know, corporation or broadcasting network, right? For company for making this happen, and it's a great initiative. Thank you first and foremost for supporting the creative industry. This is real. This is about to get realer. So you guys stay in touch, stay tuned. It's a big thing. Big Nation President, aka the One God speaking. You don't know the thing go from the red corner, representing from the FO land. You don't know the thing go. I'm out thing.
It's a BIM team. One more time for BIM Nation. One more time for BIM Nation.
He says, Charlie, like, I know I said by the way they today, you look at the shaking, you can't accept it. Yeah, I accept this clash, you know, and you know, we just gotta do it better. Thank you very much.
Yeah. And this is super exciting already. Shatta accepted the call, and of course Stonebwoy accepted the call as well. So what we're expecting here is definitely going to be